In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix fingerprint not showing in settings on Android. If your fingerprint option has suddenly disappeared from your phone's settings, or you can't add a new fingerprint at all, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a series of checks and fixes you can try, starting from the simplest and moving toward more advanced options if you need them. Follow along on your own device as I explain each step. First, start by restarting your phone. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches that may hide the fingerprint menu or cause the sensor to stop responding. After the restart, go back into your Settings app and look under Security, Biometrics, or Lock Screen to see if the fingerprint option has reappeared. If it's still missing, make sure your device actually supports fingerprint unlock and that the sensor is not physically damaged. Look closely at the fingerprint reader, whether it's on the back, side, front, or under the display. Wipe it gently with a clean, dry cloth to remove dirt, oil, or moisture. If your phone has a screen protector, especially with in-display sensors, make sure it's applied correctly or try removing it temporarily to test. Next, check that you have a secure screen lock set up. On many Android devices, fingerprint unlock is only available if you're using a PIN, pattern, or password. Go to Settings, then Security or Lock Screen, and confirm you have one of these methods enabled. Once that's set, return to the Biometrics or Fingerprint section and see if the menu is now visible. If the option is still not there, look for any recent system updates. Go to Settings, then System or Software Update and check for updates. Installing the latest update can fix bugs that affect biometric features. After updating, restart your phone and check again. If nothing has worked so far, you can try resetting some system settings related to security. On many devices, there's an option to reset all settings or reset security settings without erasing your personal data. This can bring back missing menus caused by misconfigured options. Take your time, read the description of the reset option, and proceed only if you're comfortable. If the fingerprint option is still missing after all these steps, it may indicate a hardware issue or deeper software corruption. At that point, contact your phone manufacturer's support or visit an authorized service center so they can run a diagnostic and repair or replace the sensor if needed. Follow these steps in order. Test after each one, and you'll have the best chance of getting your fingerprint feature working again.